Hey there, we have already discussed about EPCG and mover separately. Now I just had an interesting idea where I wanted to discuss the difference between them. So let's go. Planning to import for your business? Stop there. You need to understand this. Mover versus EPCG. Mover stands for Manufacture in Bonded Warehouse. Here how it works. Import raw material with zero upfront duty, manufacture inside a bonded warehouse, export finished goods with no duty at all, sell in India, just pay normal duty and no penalty. It's basically a duty-free factory setup. What are the key advantages? No export obligation, no time limit on storage, full flexibility for domestic sales. But what are the risks? Violations can lead to penalties. That's the only risk. Still, it's considered a flexible and forgiving scheme. Now, EPCG, Export Promotion Capital Goods Scheme. Import machinery at zero duty, but there's a catch. You must export 6 times of the duty saved value within 6 years of time. Important rules. 50% export must be completed in the first 4 years. Annual report submission to DGFT is mandatory. Extension up to 2 years is available. What are the risks? Failure to compliance is the payment of duty plus interest plus penalties. Can even lead to litigations. This is a strict committed based scheme. Simple difference. Mover is flexibility plus no pressure. EPCG is obligation plus long-term commitment. So which one fits for your business? Comment mover or EPCG. I will help you decide. Thank you for watching us today.